All right, yo, it's been a while. Yep, I got new fucking car parts. M3, the F80 M3. Sorry, my jacket's kind of dirty. Wow, this thing looks pretty okay so far. I mean, it's not the best, but it's gonna have to do. But yeah, I'm gonna install them today. Here's the car. Beautiful Friday, honestly. Yep, I'm gonna show you what the car sound like right now. The stage 1 and GTS roar and everything with the valve closed and open. All right, guys, I'm fucking out of breath. I got the car in the air. All right, guys, so I removed all the panels. I kind of like started and I didn't record. But yeah, I moved the exhaust from the downpipe itself, the stock downpipe. It was kind of difficult to get it out. I had to pry it open with this thing right here. I have to pry it open with this thing. Right now, I'm on the process of removing those. I'm sorry, it's not professional, I know, but so that way I'll remove the bracket, and then that way the exhaust could hang a little bit, and that way I could have a little extra room to work with. All right, guys, I got the old downpipe off. So the downpipe is on. It looks good so far. The fitment was okay. It was not the best. I have to like you know, wiggle it and shit and try to like force it places where it doesn't want to go, but I finally got it. I didn't cut anything, I didn't drill anything on these downpipes, so hopefully, you know, everything is good. Right now the car is still in the air. I'm gonna start it for you guys, and I'm gonna check for any exhaust leak before I, you know, button up everything together and drop the car, because I don't want to do that and, you know, have exhaust leak. It's gonna be a waste of time. So yeah, see the V-band. Oh, you guys can see that. Yeah, the V-band's on, everything is on. Here's the other side. It's not a DIY or anything. You know, it's just a little vlog, you know. But yeah, I'm gonna start it. On the last clip, there was a lot of rattling. Is because the exhaust hanger was still loose. I still have to go back and button up everything. Don't worry about that, guys. So I went ahead and reflashed the car, and I also got the GTS transmission flash. So I just did that right now, actually. So yeah, hopefully, you know, the car feels way better. I went on a drive already with just my previous flash, and the car feels, you know, good. I feel like it didn't really make the car faster, but you know, maybe I just need a stage 2 or get the whole charge pipe and the intake, just go full boat on, I guess. Maybe I'll feel a little different. But yeah, here's a little starter for you guys. I'm at a spot so you guys could kind of hear what the car sounds like. Here's kind of an interior view, sound. I think that sounds pretty aggressive.